Ford 150, 4.6. They run 4x4 high right now, not low. Of course, there's the Suburban, good GM product over there. Here's another GM product, the Yukon. Can't tell if they're four-wheel drive or not.
On here, this guy looks like a Toyota, maybe?
This guy's just an idiot because he's in a car. He shouldn't have been even trying to come up here.
Oh my gosh, look at that. He is in the ditch. It's a Honda.
It's a moron. Here's another Suburban. Another SUV that...
Looks like a Suzuki, potentially.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's four-wheel drive or not, but
It's in the ditch.
Yeah. Yeah, obviously.
And here's two that just didn't even try. I guess they just got here and gave it up. And here we have another contender. Just now going up, joining the ranks.
They're gonna wait for us.
Mm-hmm.
When we come back, we'll see if
Honda and a Chrysler. And Nissan.